Hello everyone, welcome to Data to Info. In today's video, we will see how we can store the extracted content in a file. So far we saw how we extract content or scrap content from HTML pages or web pages from different sites. So let's get started. First of all, we will be scrapping this new website. The link will be in the description below. You can check it out. All right, so I will be going a little fast over here. So the basic code that we saw earlier, I won't repeat it much. The agenda for this video is to store whatever we scraped. So let's import some files, sorry, the libraries real quick. After importing the beautiful soup and request library, let's just get to URL. Let me just make the get request first. Okay, so here I have made the get request using request.get URL. Then whatever the result I got, I made it text result. I put it in a content object. That content object I have parsed it using beautiful soap. I made the object of soup, object soup, and pass the content, whatever the content we got in the result. Here the new thing we saw, uh, LXML. Okay, so earlier we saw like we could do parser, right? But that was for only HTML. But if we write LXML, it is for both XML as well as HTML content. Alright, so you just have to import it, not import it, I mean install it. Pip install LXML, that will be fine. Alright, okay. The next thing is, this is the next thing that we using the object of the beautiful soup, we find the article. What is article? Article is an element in a website, all right, in which the class was there, that is main article, and we put it in a reference variable, that is box, and using box, inside that box there is another element h1, and using h1 we are using dot get text method, which is used to extract the title. So here we are extracting two things, title and transcript. All right, okay, so here you see some extra code. I will explain it what it is. So let's say if we don't write these things, strip and separator, for say, it will work fine. All right, it will work fine, no problem. But using strip, if you know Python, strip is used to remove the blank spaces, the white spaces from front and back. All right, so strip is equal to true. Separator is if we have given the space. All right, this is a little space over here. So whenever we found space, it will come to the second line. Let's say. All right. So I will show you the which title it is on the website. This is the title. All right, and the transcript I am using this transcript. All right, this is the whole transcript over here. So if you just right click over here and inspect it, you will find the, just click over here and click on the title. See, this is under the article h1 tag, right? Under article h1 tag is there. That's why we wrote article element and the class was main article. So you will see the class name as well over here. If you just extend it a little bit, see, class name is main article, right? This is the class name. That's what we saw. Then then we did the class name for transcript. The class name for transcript is full script. You will see it over here as well. Let me just highlight you that one as well. Okay, it's highlighting over here. See, full script is a class name over here. It's highlighting this area. Okay, so this is like very simple. We haven't used find all. We have used only find to find the single element. Now the thing is how we can put whatever content we have scraped in a file. So we have to create a file. So a little bit of file handling comes over here. So let me just bring the code for file handling. So here it is the code for file handling. So what we did here over here is that with open, the first parameter is file name, whatever file name we want to give, because we are creating a file. If it's not exist in the current folder or current directory, it will create the file of this name, file name.txt. I'm opening it in write mode. And the third parameter is encoding. Okay, so character encoding, if you not given, that's also fine if it works for you. But in some cases, if it doesn't work for you, I would suggest to give it the character encoding. Encoding is equal to UTF-8. All right, as file. So as a file object, file.write transcript. So I am putting the transcript content into that file. File name is file name. So let's do one thing. Let's change the file name real quick. I don't want this file name. What I want, I will do a formatting a little bit. We'll do title. Alright, so this title will come over here as a file name, and I will do F in front of it. So we will be seeing a file of name, the title. It will be create over here on left hand side, and in that file the content will be whatever the content we got in the transcript. It will be stored inside that. So let's just run it real quick. Have a look on this left hand side. Okay, see, it's run perfectly without the error, and we got one file as well. If you just expand a little bit, title is Titanic 1997 full transcript.txt. This is the file name. If you open it, you will see the content, the transcript content inside the file. So this is how you can scrape the content from HTML page and store it in a file. I hope you must have liked it. Please follow DIT, that is data to info, and do subscribe. Thank you.